Oh man, this is a nice bass. Well, all right. Fish at your own risk. You don't mind if I do? Yo, what's going on, guys? So today we're at a small neighborhood pond. We're gonna be running a fluke, watermelon with some red and black flakes, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. Beautiful pond here. Let's get it. Just gonna make my way around this first pond. Oh, fish on the drop. Nice. Okay, it's a decent bass actually, I think. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Oh man, this is a nice bass. Really nice. Gotcha. Nice, guys. Oh, just got here. Oh man. Beautiful bass, guys. Look at that. Just got here, guys. Wow. That's a nice little guy right there. Look at that. It's probably about 2 pounds. There we go. Get you back in there. Nice. Woo. Just got here, man. That was a beautiful fish. What the hell? Come on. My lure just freaking flew off, dude. Are you kidding me? Come on. I mean, even without the weight, I can still fling it out there, so it's not bad at all. Here we go. Nice. Oh my gosh. He freaking nailed it. Oh man. As soon as he jumped, dude. Come on. Oh man. Beautiful fish. That was a nice sized bass right there. Oh God. I tried to set the hook. Oh. That hurts. We got another one. Nice. On the drop. Oh, this is a nice one too. Look at him jump. Let's go, baby. Nice. Come on. Come on in. Oh, he's fighting it. Another nice bass. Beautiful. Beautiful bass, guys. Oh, wow. Number 2, baby. Oh, I hooked him almost in the eye. Oh, no. There we go. I got you. All right. Number 2, not as big as that first one, but she's still pretty. Beautiful, beautiful little bass. Nice. Get you back in. There you go. See you later. Nice. That's 2 already, guys. Beautiful, beautiful start to the day. So far we got two nice bass at this pond. We're almost did a whole circle around it. The 2 we caught were over there. I missed one by the fountain over there, so that's my own fault. Didn't set the hook. Here we go. Got another one. Nice. Oh, this is a good one too. Nice little bass. Quit jumping, bro. Little guy, not super big, but I'll take it. Nice. There we go. I got you, dude. Relax, I got you. Get you hooked out of here. There we go. Number 3. at the pond. He's trying to run away. Pretty boy. Let him go. Get a little bigger for me. Beautiful. Nice. Might have been that guy that hit it on the drop a second ago. I just missed him. As soon as I cast it back out, he freaking nailed it, dude. Beautiful. That's 3 fish so far on the watermelon pumpkin. And he's still there. Let's go. He's just hanging out. It's real shallow right here, but then it dips down. I feel like there might be some bass in there. Back in this corner. It's a good looking corner here. Ooh, I think we got one. Yep, we got one. Nice. Fish on. Oh, he jumped. He hit it on the drop. It's a nice fish. Nice bass. Let's see, man. Stop jumping, dude. Come on, I got you. Nice one. Nice. Nice bass right there, guys. Beautiful. Maybe a pound or so. Fatty though. Get him back in there. There you go, buddy. He jumped out of the water. He's right there, you see him? Just missed him. He was right there. Just missed him, guys. Fish on. Fish off. Come on, dude. Oh, we lost one. Is it a fish? Oh my god. It wasn't fighting for a second. And he jumped up. Nice. Jumped again. Let's go, baby. Come on in. At first he wasn't fighting. I was like, damn, is this a fish? Nice bass. Come on in, baby. Alright. Chill, 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 chill. Might have been that guy that hit it earlier. Get you out of here. Nice. Nice bass. Beautiful little guy. Fat belly too, man. Look at that. Oh man. We're killing it today, guys. What, this is number 5? Let's go. On the fluke. Great day at the pond. Caught 5 total. Missed a couple, but that's how it goes. Watermelon Fluke did the job today. Thank you very much. That first one was pretty big for this pond. Anyway, guys, we'll catch you next time. See you later.